After a long day at work, there's nothing more satisfying than finally coming back home. The moment I stepped through the door, I knew it was time to leave the stress of the day behind and focus on myself. First thing first, a refreshing shower, washing everything that came with the day's hustle. With a fresh mind and renewed energy, it was time to prepare dinner. Sometimes the simplest meals bring the greatest joy and comfort. I started by preparing fresh vegetables, taking my time because good food deserves a little love and attention. Then the cooking began. The aroma slowly filled the house, turning an ordinary evening into something so special. As the sukuma wiki simmered perfectly, the ugali came together just right, simple, traditional, and absolutely delicious. A plate of hot ugali and sukuma wiki might seem simple, but moments like these remind us that happiness is often found in everything. Thank you for spending the evening with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and